Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Glenda B. Cruz, 34 years old. I currently live in Tubi, Batangas, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am a married woman, but we already separated since 2021. I have three children, one girl and two boys, and their ages are 15 years old, 14 years old, and 8 years old. I live with my parents now. We are six siblings, four girls and two boys. I am the fifth child of the family. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have experience before as domestic helper in Muscat, Oman since May 2019 to June 2023. I serve four members of the family, one couple and two children. And the ages of the children are 0 months baby and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities are all around like cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, and especially taking care of the kids. Please select me, ma'am, as your helper because I am a hardworking, responsible, trustworthy, loyal, and I do my best to do my work. If you hired me as your helper, I will promise to you to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need. God bless and thank you.